Good day, my people. So, if this is your first time watching my video, kindly hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, if you guys remember when I dropped video on this updates, if you take this serious, if you take this particular project serious, then follow this tutorial that I'm going to show you so that you can be able to secure your Cbdc. Okay, all right. So once you are here, you can see the mining have already ended. Yeah, the mining have already ended. So you you can look at it down. You can see a secure society. Yeah, click on that society. Then wait for a moment. Yeah. So you can see votes. You can see votes. Then you can see log. Yeah. I have locked up my CDBC. So that's just it. Once you are here, you will see vote plus one Cbdc. Okay, you will click on it. Then after clicking on it, you will see log. You will see log. Then tap on log. Once you tap on log, you can see all, which is this all. Tap on all. Then your CDBC balance will appear. I have already logged mine. Then you click on start log. You click on this start log here so that you will lock up this particular token. Just lock it up for now. All right, so that's just it. If you get value from this video, kindly hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates like this. Thank you. So if you mind Cbdc, congratulations. See you in my next video.